Alright, so in this video, we're gonna actually go ahead and create a payment gateway. So what this means is from all these different options, you are just gonna choose one and then you're gonna use it to start collecting payments. So in my case, I'm gonna be connecting Stripe and then you're gonna see another video with PayPal as well, all right? So to connect Stripe is actually very, very simple. You just click connect and now it is going to redirect you to Stripe so that you can connect it. So what I recommend is on a different tab, you actually have your Stripe account connected and logged in so that you can do this seamlessly. If you had this, you just click continue and voila, it is going to connect with you. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. All right, and there you go. To receive payments, you need to fill your profile. So this tells us exactly what's the next step. In this case, we are not going to go to the next step. We just created the connection with the Stripe, and that's the entire purpose. So this was the video about Stripe. Go ahead, check the PayPal if you also want to use that one, and keep watching the course.